Let's see what's been popping. We're still like in this. Like, look at this, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Five-minute looks nice for shorts. Whew. Well, for a value gap before market open, that's pretty new. Not new. That's just sometimes happens, I guess. And anyways, let's sweep it at highs. All right, Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. I think my PC is way overloaded. I'm running software to monitor the market. I'm recording. I have Chrome open trading. Oh, just gonna wait. If this is a breakaway gap, I'll try to get in the next fair value gap if we are going to move. gonna be patient here this morning. I really only need like one good trade to finish my combine, so that's the plan. Wait for something that's obvious. Okay, another FVG pop. All right, here's the pullback. We'll see if we respect it or if we push into some inverses. We went 61% longs. We did get up to that to the gap. Yeah, we filled the gap. Just consolidating. Looks like it wants to keep going up. We take this high again. High for the day. Yeah, it is. damn, this thing pumping. What a pamp. This thing's pamping. Alright, first 10 minutes. We're just going straight to freak up. We also have news in 5 minutes. I mean, I'll probably just ignore this fair value gap unless it inverts because I don't know, it's tough to go long here. There's nothing really else around it. There's the fair value gap under it. I just have to take a couple deep breaths. All right, first touch. FEG short. Okay, I'll probably just gonna try to get in on this one actually.
Order filled.
Yeah. I really don't need much. I need, what did I think I needed? 700 or like 800? I need 800. Which I guess is still pretty decent move. Okay, the retest of half. Stop is a full close above the high. Or a full close outside of the fair value gap, actually. but I am kind of going against the grain here. We did get a shift in market structure. Could be looked at as just a liquidity grab or a tap back into this fair value gap. It is a market structure shift, um, but you don't really know like what it's even gonna do. So just gotta let it play out. It might be that fair value gap that I didn't want to take. We had news in a minute. Yeah, looking pretty good, but we'll see. It's not really doing much. What even happened? 52. Slightly under forecast, slightly under previous. I don't necessarily know what this even means, but that's what the number says. You can de-sprout shorts. Nice. Now we could bounce at any of these FVGs. Um, Other than that, I mean, we're probably targeting here, this low. This is also probably a daily low or daily high, because I marked it, so we'll see. I'm just gonna hodl. So we can get a run to it. I probably will close this trade though before 9. That is probably a must. So this thing is pushing. Pushing. Well, this bottom fair value gap is I guess it's technically the first fair value gap, but if we're looking at ICT the way that he teaches, he actually doesn't use this fair value gap, or at least he didn't. I don't know what his new stuff says now, but back in the day, this was a this would have been the first fair value gap, right? Not this one. Another fair value gap short, which is this one. I'm not gonna put it in because it's kind of cluttered. I guess I could. Why not? Lots of fair value gaps in this area. If we get a full close under this, then it'll be an inverse. Move inverse to the first fair value gap, which is another short signal. Okay, we buy back into this fair value gap. Could it be another place to short? Coming up on 50. I'm waiting for this close below 50.5 or 5.50. Didn't get there. Or wait, it's not close. 20 seconds. This looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Full close. That's the inverse. This now got inverted. This one. We're not playing in this fair value gap. We'll see what happens. And this thing just is a freaking dagger right through this fair value gap. See if we hit the TP here. It's close. Come on. This is a tough place to be because do I just hold? Yeah, I think so. Worst case scenario, 200 beans. I'll definitely close before that. We'll see. Oh, come on.
Order filled.
There it is. Look at that. Beautiful trade. We did it. We passed the combine. We passed the combine using the FBG scanner. Oops. That's not what I wanted to pull up. Let's go. Right here, two fair value gap calls. We took the short fair value gap call. These didn't get retested or invalidated. And then this came up. We hit the short right up here. We rode her all the way down. And yeah, look, I was targeting this daily low or daily high. I actually don't know what it is. Look at that. Nice. Well, now we're done for the day. We're literally done for the day because we just passed our combine in one trade. Look at that. Look at that beautiful trade. Guys, this fair value gap scanner is kind of OP, I'm not gonna lie. It's I mean it scans it shows you everything that you can just see on the chart, but it just gives you that kind of confidence to wait for it, right? Instead of like jumping into a trade. It really makes you wait for it, and then it's there's only a couple setups that you can really take off fair value gaps, so it's like you just have to do one of those and kind of see what the market's giving you at the time. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure to check the description below. The signals are free. They're free now, but they won't always be free. So tap in, tap in. All right, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm not gonna trade any longer. Um, yeah.